This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisa Miglioraci. Incredible investment opportunity in the heart of Orlando. Use as your own property or as a profitable short-term vacation rental that comfortably hosts up to 6 guests with open floor plan, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths and a pull-out sofa. This unit is turnkey, nicely decorated contemporary style, being offered fully furnished including all linens, kitchenware, electronics, small appliances, and owner's closet setup. The condo has high-end finishes, newer appliances and air conditioner unit. Relax on your private balcony after your daily activities. The Enclave Orlando offers 24 hours amenities, lobby with concierge, gym, and indoor heated pool with spa. The facilities include tennis court, game room, outdoor pools and whirlpools, playground, laundry facilities, computer kiosk, gazebo by the lake, convenience store, free shuttle to Universal, and even an on-site full bar and Pizza Hut. Monthly condo fee covers basic cable, water, sewer, and all amenities. Perfect location close to everything, walk to restaurants on International Drive and quick drive to Universal Studios, Sea World, Walt Disney World, Convention Center and all of the famous local attractions. Proven rental opportunities, rent by owner or via on-site property management. Don't miss out, this one will not last. For more information, review the details below.